pretty, like, period. What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to be installing this beautiful 12-inch highlighted bob wig sent to me by Worldnewhair. I'd also like to thank them for sponsoring this video. All the details regarding this hair are going to be linked in the description box. There will be a direct link to their hair, to their Instagram page, to their website, everything. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is just brush all my baby hairs back using the Got2b, just because we don't want the hairline to look messy once we stick the wig on, and we're trying to also protect our baby hairs. So after I've combed through my hair, I'm now just positioning it onto my head and seeing where I want it to be and where I want to place it before I actually put the glue on. So I clip both sides of my hair just because it's easier to work with when there's no hair in your face. I then get my Got2b gel and I put a thin layer right below my baby hairs. This is the same gel that I used to brush all my edges backwards. I'm then gonna blow that out using a paper. You could use anything. I don't have a blow dryer, but people usually use a blow dryer. I then tap on the glue to see if it's tacky, because once the glue is tacky, then I know that I can put a second layer of the gel. So I'm basically repeating the same process again and waiting for it to dry. So the glue is tacky and I'm now placing my wig lightly because if I make a mistake I can easily lift the wig off. But because there was no mistake and I was happy with my position, I'm just placing it down with my comb. I then get my head wrap to wrap my wig down because you only want laid wigs, period. I then set a timer on my phone for 10 minutes. So my head wrap is off now and I'm not just going to part some baby hairs. So I'm not doing anything dramatic. I'm just going to part twice, one on each side, as you guys can see. Once I'm happy with my partings, I get that tool, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, I use it to cut off my baby hairs. And then I'm going back in with the same Got2b gel that I've been using throughout the video, just to lay my baby hairs down. That's literally all I've used. You can lay your hair down just with Got2b gel, guys. So now that I've done my baby hairs, I'm now going to wrap it with a scarf. I'm so pretty. Anyway, I was just trying to take like a boomerang for Instagram. I'm so gorgeous. Wow. So as my baby hairs are laying, I'm now going to go in with my straightener just to straighten my hair. I part it out first just because I find it easier. And I feel like the hair looks more straight when you do it in sections. So that's what I'm basically doing now. Just to point out that when I straighten my hair, you can see that I do like tilt the straightener when I'm approaching the bottom of the hair, because it just gives like that, what's the word, that swoop look, that blunt look. You know what I mean. Period. Period. And here's me feeling myself because I know I look so beautiful. Nobody has to tell me twice. Love yourself, guys. So I then get my styling wax stick and I'm not just going to apply that at the front and around, you know, basically where I want my hair to look like flat. I then get my hot comb and pass it through basically everywhere where I put the wax. Guys, a hot comb makes such a big difference. If you're a beginner and you want to know like what to get, just make sure a hot comb is there. You don't even need a straightener because you only need a straightener for like straight hair, but like even curly hair, the hot comb just makes it look flat and you know, just vibes. So I go back in with my straightener because your hair can never be too straight, and you know straight hair only looks nice when it's straight. So yeah, I'm now combing it, styling it, because you know combing through your hair makes such a big difference as well. Like if you don't comb it, it can look so different, and then if you just comb it and like put it the way you want it to be. So this is the finished look, you guys. I love it. The only thing I've struggled with is straightening the back, simply because I can't see the back of my head, and when I've worn this wig on the few occasions that I've worn the wig, my boyfriend was there to straighten the back for me. So it doesn't look that bad though. For like an installation by me, this is good, because I know I'm not the best, but I've tried. I love this hair. It doesn't shade, it's good quality. Make sure you go get yourself some hair from WNHY, period. But anyway, that is the end of this video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you'd like to see more hair tutorials, beauty, lifestyle, make sure you do hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.